Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get and use ChatGPT Sidebar CloudHQ on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To get ChatGPT Sidebar CloudHQ, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search bar type Chrome Web Store and now hit enter. Open Chrome Web Store. In search the store, type ChatGPT Sidebar ChatGPT Sidebar, then CloudHQ. ChatGPT Sidebar CloudHQ. Now hit enter. And you will find an extension ChatGPT Sidebar by CloudHQ. Now click on the extension. You will find a button Add to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. And now click on Add Extension. Look, the extension has been downloaded. Click on Extensions. Look, this is ChatGPT Sidebar by CloudHQ, and now click on Pin. ChatGPT Sidebar is added to your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the ChatGPT Sidebar extension. Here you will find API settings and you have to enter your API key here. But where you find the API key, click on the link. You can find your API key at this link. Now click on this link and a new tab is opened. Now you need to log on to your ChatGPT. Click on login. If you don't have account, you have to sign up. I'm clicking on login and I'm logging in with continue with Google. I'm selecting my email address and here you will find a button create new secret key. Now click on create new secret key and optionally here you will find my test key. I'm going to type my name and now click on create secret key. Look, the secret key has been created. Now click here to copy your secret key. Now go to the ChatGPT sidebar setting page. Now under API setting, just paste your secret key here. Find this option is enabled. Now you can select ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo or ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo 16K also. I'm going to select ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Click on Sync and Backup. Look, ChatGPT sidebar is enabled here. Now you can use ChatGPT sidebar. Now I'm going to a Google Doc page. Click on ChatGPT sidebar. and I'm going to select text, and now copy text, and then paste here. Then now I'm going to select summarize, and then click on send to ChatGPT. Now I am going to select fix grammar, and now click on send to ChatGPT. Now the grammar has been fixed. Now I want to summarize this data. Click on select summarize, and then click on send to ChatGPT. Now it summarized the data. Now I'm going to select rewrite, and then send to ChatGPT, and it rewrited the document. Now I am going to select elaborate. Now click on send to ChatGPT. Look, it's write a long paragraph. Now I'm going to select bulletize and click on send to ChatGPT. Look, it bulletized the document. Now, if you want to translate to Spanish, select translate to Spanish and click on send to ChatGPT. Look, it's translated my document to Spanish language. Now I am going to select custom, and now here I am typing to translate selected text to Arabic. Translate selected text to Arabic. Now click on send to ChatGPT. Look, ChatGPT translate the document in Arabic language. And if you want, you can select translate selected text to Bangla. Now click on send to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT translated the document into Bengali language. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.